What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Prince. I'm back in the place and epic video. Big up on yourself, PZ family. I don't know anything you see me there. That lit reaction. You see me other reaction. It's not gonna be a long one. It's not gonna be quick. It's a quick one. You see me not gonna be long as our regular reaction. Then long. You see. Big up on yourself, people. And for like, share, and subscribe. You see. This is a reaction to DDG interview. I see him do. So I just take time and say, yo, this shit lazy. Even though it's short, about 48 minutes. So I say, but to know how it go. 48 something. 48 something. So. It lit, I'm like it, I'm gonna give him a point of view. Cause the DDG got the swags, bro. He got the swags. So big up on yourself and can click the link and look at something down there. So let's see you subscribe and click on your subscribe and like the video. See, big up on yourself, PZ family, and welcome to my channel, all the newcomers. See, here we go. So I just show a scream at him at the freestyle, you see, and then after another ear voice after I see come out. But you see, so it'll come out now.
Going hella dummy in London, I spent like 10 bands. Nigga claim me poppin', but really only got 10 fans. Smoking on this cookie gelato, I got like 10 strands. Bright ass smile, the dentist taking like 10 grand. I told Shorty, bring her friend, cause I want both of them. Give me 30 minutes when I'm in they both of them.
Guys.
This is I know Ross, bitch. And don't ask me what I'm wearing or what it cost it. Cruising in my A with the top off. With a bad bitch, finna get topped off. Sucky, drop off. Finna get dropped off. I been had millions in the bank before I popped off. I just bought a mansion, and I'm the only one in it. You don't own that fucking crib, you the only one renting. I ain't shopping with broke hoes, cause I'm the only one spending. Niggas trying to ride my way, cause I'm the only one trending. I be going hella dummy, watch me switch it up. Get some Henny in this coke, watch me mix it up. She know how I'm coming, I'm that nigga, so she lick it up. Her heart is broke, but I ain't no doctor, I can't stitch it up.
Boom, the dog say, "I heart broke, I'm no doctor, but I can't stitch it up." What is it? What is it? Hold on. Let's see if we can hear the last part. What you say?
I'm coming, I'm that nigga, so she lick it up. Her heart's broke, but I ain't no doctor, I can't stitch it up.
He said, "I heart broke, but I ain't no doctor, so I cannot stitch it up." Yeah, bro, dog, kill your bitch. Anyways, come play on the front here, okay.
Going hella dummy in London, I spent like 10
bands.
Nigga claim me poppin', but really only got 10 bands. Smoking on this cookie gelato, I got like 10 strands. Bright ass smile, the dentist taking like 10 grand. I told Shorty, bring her friend, cause I want both of them. Give me 30 minutes when I'm in they both of them. Dog shit, this is I know Ross, bitch. And don't ask me what I'm wearing or what it cost it. Cruising in my A with the top off. With a bad bitch, finna get topped off. Sucky, drop off. Finna get dropped off. I been had millions in the bank before I popped off. I just bought a mansion.
I'm the only one in it.
You don't own that fucking crib, you the only one renting.
The dog said, "I just bought a mansion, I'm the only one in it." Shit, nigga, that shit's supposed to be lonely as hell. Even though, when you have to buy yourself for a long time, you know, say, yo, you can't buy yourself as it. So, that shit lit as hell. Dog said, "I just bought a mansion, and I'm the only one. You know, see your sister, your sister.
I'm the only one spending. Niggas trying to ride my wave, cause I'm the only one trending.
When I said niggas just trying to ride his wave. And what else?
I be going hella dummy, I'm the only one trending. I be going hella dummy, watch me switch
up. Trending.
Get some Henny in this coke, watch me mix it up. She know how I'm coming, I'm that nigga, so she lick it up.
She lick it like a lollipop, man. She lick it up like a lollipop. Damn.
Her heart's broke, but I ain't no doctor, I can't
fix it up. Hey man, say, "Her heart broke, I hope no doctor can do it." DDG, we don't do us here bring the little shit as hell, bro. We don't do us here lit like crazy, bro. You see? Yeah, G, you don't do us here, bro. But, I'm going to say that already, but when we use this, but when I say but, you need to at least finish the song, publish it, let me get hear it. Finish it. He read him click me, man. I read him click me, and then he start go so hard on it. He just click me, brother. He need to like make that song completely so people can hear that. Cause they don't know say dog full of talent and dog can do lyrics them properly, brother. You see me? Yeah, that big change and in God strong and him a doing thing now, bro. Great dog ice. Alright, I'm soon get ice. 10 bands.
Nigga claim me poppin', but really only got
10 bands.
Smoking on this cookie gelato, I got like 10 strands. Bright ass smile, the dentist taking like 10 grand.
Dog say bright ass smile, as if you have to keep smiling upon them as if you can't depend on deep. Plus you see yesterday, have a smile upon them and then you say, yo, the smile is here, you can't do nothing about that, as if. Well, make up yourself, people. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment and turn on the post notification. What's up? I'm out. For the... I'm out. Stop out.
dropped off.